going to be looking at how we use electrical energy wisely and how we can calculate how much electricity costs in our homes. So what affects our energy use? Well, the first thing that affects it is the power rating of an appliance. So different appliances use different amounts of power, and this will vary with the brand type. For example, a dishwasher can use between 12 and 1,200 and 2,400 watts. That is the energy unit of power. And a coffee maker can use between 550 to 1,500 watts. So it depends on the brand that you have, and that will determine how much energy it uses. What else affects our energy use? An appliance setting. So how you use your appliance will affect how much energy you use. So for example, if you run your dishwasher with cold water versus hot water, or you set your clothes washer to a heavy cycle versus a light cycle. So the setting will affect how much energy you use. Hot water will use more energy because you have to heat up the water. And if you have to wash a lot of dirt off your clothes on the heavy cycle, it's going to use more energy than a light cycle. How much you use, the amount of use of an appliance, will also affect your energy use. So if you use your dishwasher once a week versus 5 times a week, obviously it's going to cost you more money. Or if you leave your air conditioning running the entire day, every day, that's going to cost more money. So the practical unit of energy is a kilowatt hour, and this is what is on your electricity bill. So you will have to use your electricity bill for your challenge this week. So if you can ask your parents maybe, or if you know how to look it up, you can do that. But you're going to need to know how much your electricity costs. We also have what's called an EnerGuide label, and maybe you've seen these on your appliances. It's a sticker that has to be by law on an appliance to show a consumer how much energy one appliance uses compared to another. So when you are buying an appliance, you can look at this EnerGuide label and it tells you some information. It tells you the estimated annual consumption in kilowatt hours per year. So this particular model uses 460 kilowatt hours. So right there you could determine how much it would cost you to use this particular model. It also tells you, this little arrow here tells you where this unit compares with similar models in terms of energy consumption. So the closer it is to the left would be the most energy efficient. You see the number here, it says 285 kilowatt hours versus all the way here at the right says 484 kilowatt hours. So this one is pretty close to having the highest consumption for all these types of models of appliance. So it gives you the range. So you want to choose, you have the choice as a consumer which one you want to buy. So if you want to save more energy, you look for one that would be closer to this side on the range of electricity use. So we are going to learn how to calculate the cost of use of an appliance. And cost is calculated by multiplying the amount of energy used in kilowatt hours by the rate or the price in cents per kilowatt hour. So cost is equal to the energy used times the rate. So you will have to watch the next video for an example and your next challenge.